Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our new products. On my right hand, this is the choppers. You can chop the vegetables, fruits, and let's take a look at the overall size for the units. A unit's entire length is about like 17 inches long. And the overall height, they almost about like 15.5 inches tall. The length will be about like 11.5 inches wide. So as we can see, the units, they are they have 4 feet. You can suck on the surface, flat stainless steel surface. And also we having using the standard 110 plus. They come with the adapters, and they can using the electric, and also we have a handy functions. And we can look at the front. They have a covers for securities, and they also have a tray at the bottoms. So let's take a close look at the inside of the units. This lid, we can open it. Simply just remove it, and we can see inside of the cutters, they have a mount positions for the handlebars. You can just twist it, and we can make samples like this way. You can swing it and to cut the fruits, veggies, anything you want. And we can see the other side have the tray side. So when we look in this side of the units, we have seen the 2 lockers for the securities, and also have switchers to control the units. And also the units, the tray, the holders, you can adjust the height, adjust the length. And you can put as much as you want, and they can push them automatically. This will be all information about these products, and if you have more detailed questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.